Hello, guys, and welcome back to our reaction channel. If you are just joining us, welcome to the channel. Over here, we react to comedy skits and funny content from TikTok compiled together. So basically, what we do here, we just laugh and have a good time. We are on our way to 500 subscribers. The initial mark was 1,000, but we are on a fast pace to reach to get into 500 subscribers. We're currently at 450. So if you want to be a part of the family, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you know whenever we upload a new video. So you'll be the first to come check it out. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. I don't have much to say. And thank you to the subscribers already. Y'all know I fuck with you, gang. Thank you guys so much. And let's get straight into the video, man. Let's see if we can find something to laugh at because I'm in the mood. I want to laugh right now.
Hey, you, stop there. Wait, why did you say stop there? See.
Good afternoon, sir.
I don't need your good afternoon. I just want to warn you now. Stay away from my daughter. Did you hear what I'm saying? Stay away from my daughter. I don't want you to be connected to my family in any way.
Okay, sir.
Break any connection you have with my family. Stay away from my daughter. Did you hear me?
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes? What is it?
This polo you are wearing is my own.
This polo? This polo that's my daughter?
That's
No, but I'll disconnect from your family. Not disconnecting me and your daughter again. Now you want disconnection?
on
You.
wherever you find your property, you have to claim it. And that's so 100. That's crazy. It's time full blown out war between boys and girls. That's mad. That guy is crazy. That guy is crazy. Hey, I like this guy.
Where are you now? And you know that the weather is not good already.
This is one of my favorite.
Okay, please don't forget the stuff that I told you.
Favorite stick makers. This guy right here.
Okay, now no problem. I can't wait to see you. The black gate, yes, in front of the black gate. He told me now.
Jesus.
Okay, I can't wait to see you. Alright. Bye.
What is that Charlie voice of Mumudo?
Oh my God. I wanted to see what fell on his head. Coconut. That's but this one, I mean, this one is already like carved out, so this one shouldn't be too hard.
Charlie boy, too much. You think they wise? It's very shameful for you to accept
Amarachi, say yes to me. Let's build this relationship together.
I want to say yes. I want to accept you too.
Then tell me the yes now.
But on one condition.
What's the condition?
You no go now.
Come on, your hand for my clothes. What's the no go now? Why we no go now?
I don't want me with not till we marry.
You dey create, so what we gonna do? We dey go feed, go labor. Since you be transgender, we dey sit down, they look ourselves. What's the essence of dating you won't know the knack?
I want me with just a play love.
Say which kind of love? Which kind of love would they go play when no involve nothing? Hmm? You know what? Man, not open, close my eye open, see you for you. I feel mash your waist break. Come on for you. I go mash you. They move. Come on for you. You were near ground.
Hey, but you know, back in the day, the pride used to be waiting till marriage, right? But I mean, our from my generation, I know we are the worst ones. We spoiled it. We ruined everything. So I mean, me, yeah, I kind of have mixed, well, not mixed feelings, because if you wanna wait till marriage, I mean, I understand on your case, it's cool. If it's a, I mean, if let's say now let's say I have a girl, right, and she says she wants to wait till marriage, would I be able to handle it as a guy? Me personally, I don't think I'll be able to do it. You know, but for the girl's sake, I'll understand her. I definitely I will understand, but I mean, I don't know, bruh. I don't. How about you? Would you wait till marriage? Don't judge me then. Therefore, don't judge me, man. Don't do that. Can you wait till marriage though? Let me know. Don't be. But it's hard now. It's hard.
Chef,
did you did you pee your pants?
it's like something stain your clothes. It's like you sit down on water.
Were you looking at my butt?
Your butt. Do you have butt? Do you see your butt? No, it's not. You don't have butt. It's only water
Ooh,
and clothes.
ooh,
It's leg.
ooh,
No, what you have is leg.
ooh. That's mean.
But I have to hear is leg.
That's mean.
You don't have butt.
That's mean. I was not expecting to hear that. That's mean. But you see, hey, girls, what is going on with you people? Someone is telling you, it's like you sat on something because the butt area obviously is wet, and the question you would ask is, "Are you looking at my butt?" And the guy said, "You don't even have nyash." Like what the? Nah, that's funny. That's
Uncle, good afternoon.
Good
gaslighting,
afternoon.
bro.
Come back. Why are you rushing? How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle.
Oh, you're rushing.
I just
What's
want
wrong?
to go to
I
the
know.
bathroom.
Come back. What's wrong with your back?
My back.
Yes.
It's spoiled. Is this thing
It's what?
spoiled?
Oh, it has spoiled.
Yes, it has spoiled. So the
I see.
just fold it like this.
Oh, when did I buy this bag for you?
Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yes, you bought it for me yesterday.
Oh, this is the bag I bought for you yesterday.
I don't
Wow.
know. It's the people that do it. I don't know.
Oh, it's from the manufacturers.
Yes.
Oh, when are you writing your exams?
My exam.
Yes.
My exam is tomorrow.
Have you read?
Yes, I read now.
You're prepared.
Yes, I prepare.
Okay, come back. Don't run. Come back. Come and read.
I should read.
Yes, come on.
What?
I want you to read this.
Okay, let me drop my.
Don't drop it. Come. You
No,
can't run.
I'm not running now.
I know you are not running.
I want to drop my bag.
Don't need to drop it. You hold it like that. No issue at all. Hold it. Now take this.
Huh?
I wrote something that I want you to read it out. Take it.
This should be funny.
Yes. There's a sentence there. I want you to read it out. You are prepared for your exam. Anyhow, you want to flip it. Flip it.
Yes, I'm prepared for my exam.
I know. Read.
I should read it. Yes. to be a champion,
Perfect. You're doing well. Continue.
you must first work on your character.
What?
Your character.
It's character. Character. Yeah.
No, the champion. The pronounce is a cha. Then the character. This one should be character. Okay. There is no care there.
Continue, my friend. You've not started.
He's
You're sweating already.
he's
No, I'm not
sweating.
sweating.
Continue.
I'm not
I
sweating.
know.
And your Desiree to
What is Desiree?
Desiree.
Where did you see Desiree? Desire.
Desire.
Yes.
But uncle, there is no Z and
You
there
don't
is no
listen.
AY.
Continue. It's desire. Continue.
Your desire to prosper is in your tongue.
Why are you looking at me?
Tongue.
He said his tongue. Will you get out from this place, my friend?
Oh shit. Oh shit. That's crazy, bro.
So, madam, did anybody see you when you were entering?
No,
Okay. Did anybody see you when you were leaving?
no.
Okay. So you were not there.
I was there, but nobody saw me.
Madam, if I ask you in court, your answer is you were not there.
The law.
No evidence.
But are you teaching me to lie? I cannot lie. Oh.
Okay. First time offender.
Oh,
Madam, you
shit.
know your offense is federal offense. You know what federal offense means?
I know.
Let me explain to you. Madam, when you do prison for federal offense, you will do that prison to the extent that when you are done, you will do photo shoot. Madam, you will do that prison to the extent that Asha will see you and call you prisoner to Mr. Jailer. Madam, you will do that prison. You will stay so long, you will become a fairy tale to young children.
The law.
Let me ask you one more time, madam. Were you there or you were not there?
I was not there.
That's okay. So your testimony now is
Oh, that's the last one. Nah, that's crazy though. That's crazy. I'm gonna forget that they used to tell me back in the day, if you're not a good liar, you cannot be a lawyer. Like lawyers are liars, and that was what I wanted to be like. That was what I wanted to do, when I was young. Because my auntie is a lawyer, right? So I was with her one time, right, and then we had like some altercation with some policemen, and my auntie was just there, like. And then when the policeman found that my auntie was a lawyer, they gave her the maximum respect, right? So when I saw that, I was like, nah, I want to be a lawyer as well. I don't want this police effing up with me, But life, life journey took us different turns, and I'm here. So yeah. Hey, by the way, thank you guys for checking out the video. If you made it to this part of the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join the family, and let's keep growing. And I will see you guys on the other video, man. We out. Bye.